Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. What if I told you that one of the richest men in the world, Bill Gates, doesn't want you to blindly chase hot stocks? Instead, he has a very clear message about where to put your money in 2026 and beyond. Today, we're diving deep into Bill Gates' exact investment philosophy, from his personal portfolio, his foundation's billions, and his latest 2026 annual letter. If you're tired of confusing financial advice and want to invest smarter like a billionaire, this video is for you. Stick till the end because the last tip could completely change how you think about money. Let's get into it. Rule number 1. Invest in yourself first. Bill Gates has said this many times, and it's his number 1 rule. The best investment you can make is in yourself, especially your education and skills. In a Reddit AMA years ago, he clearly said, if you're earning under $100,000 a year, invest in your education before you touch the stock market. Why? Because your knowledge and skills are the ultimate compound interest. No market crash can take them away. Gates dropped out of Harvard, but he never stopped learning. He reads dozens of books every year and surrounds himself with smart people who challenge him. His advice? Build human capital first. Learn new skills, whether it's AI, coding, digital marketing, or even better money management. When you increase your own value, better opportunities, higher income, and smarter investments naturally follow. So before you buy any stock, ask yourself, am I investing in becoming a better version of me? Rule number 2. Save like a pessimist, invest like an optimist. Here's another powerful mantra from Gates. Save like a pessimist, invest like an optimist. Early in Microsoft days, he always kept enough cash to survive 12 months with zero revenue. That mindset helped him survive tough times without panic. Today, he still believes in having strong cash reserves for emergencies, but once you're protected, stay optimistic about the future. He says, prepare for downturns, but bet on human progress over decades, not weeks. Don't try to time the market. Think long-term, diversify smartly, and never put all your eggs in one basket, even if that basket looks exciting. What Bill Gates actually invests in, his real portfolio. Now let's look at where Gates is actually putting billions right now in 2026. His foundation trust manages around $38 billion in stocks, and it's managed very conservatively by his team. Here are the top holdings as of early 2026. Number 1. Berkshire Hathaway, BRKB, often 25 to 28% of the portfolio. Why? Because his friend Warren Buffett donates huge amounts of Berkshire stock every year. It's a bet on quality businesses across insurance, railroads, energy, and consumer goods. Number 2. Waste Management, WM around 18%. This is a boring but brilliant business. Everyone produces waste. They have massive moats with landfills and infrastructure that's hard to copy. It's steady, essential, and recession-resistant. Number 3, Canadian National Railway, CNI, heavy infrastructure play in transportation. Other big ones include Caterpillar, CAT for industrials, Microsoft, MSFT. Yes, he still holds a solid stake in the company he co-founded, especially with its cloud and AI growth. And companies like Deere, Ecolab, and Walmart. What does this tell us? Gates loves durable, essential businesses with strong cash flows, infrastructure, waste environment, industrials, and quality tech. Not flashy memes or speculative crypto. He also owns private assets like huge amounts of farmland and hotels through his family office Cascade Investment. Bottom line, focus on quality companies that solve real-world problems and can last for decades. The big future bet, climate innovation, breakthrough energy. But Gates isn't just playing defense. He's going heavy on offense for the future. In his 2026 annual letter titled Optimism with Footnotes, he says he will keep investing and giving more than ever into climate innovation. He started Breakthrough Energy 10 years ago to fund clean tech companies in electricity, transportation, agriculture, manufacturing, and more. He's backing things like advanced nuclear, fusion energy. Companies like Commonwealth Fusion Systems are making real progress. Better batteries, carbon capture, and climate adaptation tools for farmers. Gates believes clean energy is one of the biggest investment opportunities of the 21st century, both for profit and for impact. He also sees AI as a massive multiplier. AI can help farmers in poor countries get better advice than rich ones. It can speed up drug discovery, improve healthcare, and make clean tech cheaper and faster. His message in 2026, innovation plus smart capital, can solve climate, health, and poverty challenges. So if you're thinking long-term, Look at companies and funds that support real technological breakthroughs, not just greenwashing. Final takeaways. Powerful advice. So, to summarize Bill Gates' investment wisdom for 2026 and beyond, invest in yourself and your education first. Save for safety, but invest with long-term optimism. Choose quality, durable businesses in essential sectors like infrastructure and environment. Consider innovation in clean energy and AI, areas that solve big global problems. Think in decades, not days. Patience is key. Remember, Gates plans to give away virtually all his wealth through the Gates Foundation in the coming years. For him, money is a tool to make the world better. Even if you're starting small, you can follow the same principles. Keep learning, stay disciplined, and invest in things that create real value. What do you think? Will you start investing in yourself more this year? Drop your biggest takeaway in the comments below. If you enjoyed this, hey everyone, want to know where Bill Gates says you should invest your money in 2026? It's probably not what you think. 50. First and most important, Bill Gates says the best investment is in yourself, especially your education and skills. He told people earning under $100,000, focus on learning new things before buying any stocks, because your knowledge compounds forever and no market crash can take it away. Grow 125. Second, save like a pessimist, keep enough cash for emergencies, but invest like an optimist for the long term. Look at what his foundation actually owns: huge stakes in Berkshire Hathaway, Waste Management, Canadian National Railway, and Microsoft. He bets on strong, essential businesses, infrastructure, environment, and quality tech that solve real problems. 155. Finally, Gates is pouring money into clean energy innovation through breakthrough energy. He believes climate tech and AI will create massive opportunities in the coming decades. 155. Son. So remember, invest in yourself, stay patient, and back real innovation.